Hey everyone, Alex here for BrightDog Academy. If you'd like me to personally answer any questions you may have about your dog, be sure to head over to brightdog.com where you can learn about my online training program, plus pick up a copy of the official BrightDog Academy ebook. How much water should a healthy dog drink a day? Most people just leave out a bowl of water and kind of expect the dog to, regulate how much water that they need to stay healthy. But dogs that don't drink enough water, and actually dogs that drink too much water, can be at risk for health problems. Now, the amount of water that a healthy dog is going to drink every day depends on a couple of factors. First is the size of your dog. On average, a healthy dog will drink about an ounce of water per pound of body weight per day. Another factor that contributes to how much water your dog needs every day is the kind of food you feed them. If you feed your dog strictly a dry food, then they're probably going to end up needing a little bit more water than a dog who's having food that's partially wet. Another thing to think about is what's in your dog's food. Not all dog food and kibble is made equally. If your dog food has a higher level of sodium, that's going to increase your dog's need for water. After heavy periods of exercise, most dogs tend to drink a lot of water. And this is where you have to be very careful. Dogs that suck down too much water after exercise or drink a bunch of water, then go run around, are at risk for bloat. Bloat basically is where the dog's stomach flips upside down, and if you don't get them to the emergency room, almost as fast as you possibly can, usually the dog ends up dying. To prevent this, you want to try to limit the amount of water your dog gets after and before exercising. If you know you're going to go take your dog for a big run and go to the dog park, don't let him drink a bunch of water before that. And then once you're at the dog park and he starts getting thirsty, let him go over, he starts drinking, let him lap up a few times and then make him stop. And then let him wait for 30 seconds and then, okay, have a little bit more, lick, 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 stop, and slowly let him drink the water. You don't want to just let the dog just sit there for a minute straight, just sucking in water and air. The last thing that can affect your dog's water intake is if your dog is on medication. This is where you need to talk to your vet. If your dog is on antibiotics or any other kind of pain medication, always make sure you ask your vet, should I expect this to maybe cause dehydration in my dog? Does he need extra water? Things like that. Now, it's always important to check your dog to see if they are dehydrated. Now, everybody should know how to check if their dog is dehydrated. It's very simple. To find out if your dog is dehydrated, what you're going to do is pretend my arm is the back of your dog's neck. You're going to grab your dog's thing of their skin, lift it up, and then let go. And if they are dehydrated, when you let go, it's slowly going to go back to shape. If they're healthy and hydrated, boom, it's going to snap right back. Another thing you can look for that's a little bit messier is your dog's gums. Pull up your dog's lip and stick your finger in there. If the gums are wet and slippery, good, healthy dog. But if the gums are dull and sticky, that means you probably have some dehydration going on. Pay attention to how much water your dog drinks or doesn't drink from now on. On hot days, always make sure we have fresh water, clean water out. Change that bowl a couple times a day so that we always have fresh water available for our dog. And if you have a dog who likes to gulp the water down very, very quickly, work on teaching them leave it. And that's a good way to slow them down. The dog starts to drink a bunch of water, they lick, leave it. And let him wait 30 seconds. Okay, take it. They lick, leave it. Another 30 seconds wait. Okay, take it. And that's a good way to help monitor or control your dog rather from sucking down all that water. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. And if you need any help, feel free to ask me any questions you want on my website, brightdog.com. I'll be happy to answer.